We're all trying to balance demands in our time, like school, key sets, homework, friends, and finding time to eat a balanced meal can feel impossible. But you may want to think twice before you swap that whole meal for a meal replacement like soylent. While there's likely no harm in including meal replacement products in a diverse, balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, and lean sources of protein, there are two main drawbacks you might want to think about before including them as your sole source of nutrition. The first major drawback to meal replacement products is that while they say they contain all the vitamins and minerals you need in a day, they're typically synthetic, and there's some controversy surrounding whether or not they're absorbed as well as those which are naturally occurring in whole foods. The second major drawback is they probably lack phytochemicals. What are phytochemicals, you ask? Phytochemicals are chemical compounds found in fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based products which have beneficial effects on our health. However, they are not yet classified as essential vitamins and minerals, so they're not typically added to products. The only way that you can get enough of these beneficial compounds is to eat a diverse diet of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and other plant-based products. So those meal replacement shakes aren't providing everything you need, and now you might feel like having whole meals is another thing to juggle. But don't worry, eating whole meals doesn't have to be a chore. All it takes is a little planning ahead. Meal planning is a great way to make sure that you have a meal for those busy days. But don't think you need to run out and get a million Tupperware containers. Meal planning can be as easy as making a sandwich the night before and enjoying it the next day. So, you want to eat meals with whole foods, but you have no time to cook. Well, you should consider signing up for a meal plan. MIT has tons of great retail and dining hall options for you to choose from. You can learn all about dining at MIT on the Division of Student Life's website underneath the Dining tab. Alright engineers, thanks for watching. Remember, the two main drawbacks of meal replacement products are that the micronutrients found in the products might not be absorbed as well as those naturally occurring in whole foods, and these products typically lack phytochemicals, which can be beneficial to our health. You can include more meals with whole foods into your busy schedule by prioritizing meals in your schedule, making your meals ahead of time, or signing up for a meal plan at MIT.